necessary reports related to production. Let's now discuss the reports associated with the production. Let's get started. In Busy for accessing reports, we will navigate to the display menu where production reports are available. As soon as you click on it, you will encounter multiple options. Production variance. With the help of this report, you can review any variances that may have occurred between the bill of materials at the time of creation and when production was added. To begin, click on production variance. Within this, there are two options to consider. First, the voucher wise option allows you to check the variances voucher wise. Click on it and you have two options, 1 BOM and all BOM. For instance, we select the 1 BOM option to examine the variances. To proceed, choose the BOM name, specify the date range, and if you wish to review only the variances, set this option to yes, and if you also want to view it by product, set the option to yes as well and then click OK. In this report, you can observe that in the second entry, as per the bill of material 20 units should have been used, but the actual usage was 18 units. So this is why a variance of -2 is displayed along with its percentage. Next, let's check the summary within the same report. Here, instead of entry-wise data, you will see a summary presented on a BOM-wise basis. The next report is the bill of material detail. When you click on it, two options will be displayed, product composition and product utilization. You can view both of these options one by one. In product composition, you can see the complete list of components and raw material used to manufacture a specific product. This report provides all the details you need to understand the composition for producing a particular item. Next is the product utilization. With this report, you can track which specific raw materials have been used in various bills of material, essentially showing where and how these materials have been utilized. So these reports are essential in Busy for production related insights and will be highly beneficial for in-depth analysis and understanding. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.